Hey there! Welcome to English in 5 Minutes with AI. Today, we're diving into 10 essential English expressions that will make you sound like a native speaker. No more boring lessons, let's make this fun, fast, and effective. Grab your headphones and let's get started. You're about to level up your English. 1. As flat as a pancake. This idiom describes something that's completely flat, no bumps, no curves, nothing sticking out. For example, we thought our walk would be really hilly, but the land was as flat as a pancake. Not every adventure has ups and downs. Sometimes, it's just flat, and honestly, that's okay, your knees will thank you. 2. Put food on the table. To put food on the table means to earn money to support yourself or your family. It's about the basics, keeping life running. For example, I don't like my job, but it puts food on the table. Sometimes it's not about passion, it's about responsibility. And there's honor in that. 3. Packed like sardines. If you're packed like sardines, you're crammed into a space with no room to move, just like those tightly sealed little fish cans. For example, we're usually packed like sardines on the bus to work in the morning. Public transport, where you gain character and unwanted body contact. 4. Spoon feed. To spoon-feed someone means giving them every single instruction without letting them think or work independently. For example, Sharon always spoon-feeds her staff. She tells them exactly what to do. A little guidance is good, but people grow when they figure things out on their own. Don't hold the spoon forever. 5. Sugarcoat. When you sugarcoat something, you make it sound nicer than it really is, especially bad news. For example, our boss tried to sugarcoat the news that we wouldn't get a bonus by saying we'd have a summer party. Being kind is great, but honesty is important too. Sometimes people prefer the truth over cupcakes. 6. Crying over spilled milk. This idiom means getting upset over something that's already happened and can't be changed. For example, don't get so upset about burning the cookies. It's no use crying over spilled milk. Mistakes happen. Learn, laugh, and move on. The oven will forgive you. 7. A couch potato. A couch potato is someone who spends lots of time sitting and watching TV, without much activity. For example, Jennifer is such a couch potato. She never goes out and watches TV all weekend instead. Everyone needs a lazy day sometimes, but don't let your sofa become your comfort zone forever. 8. Knows what side his bread is buttered on. This idiom means someone knows what benefits them, and makes choices that keep those benefits coming. For example, Damien makes coffee for his boss every morning. He knows what side his bread is buttered on. It's not wrong to be strategic. Just make sure it's not all about flattery, skills matter too. 9. The apple of my eye. This phrase is used for someone you deeply love and cherish, often a child or family member. For example, my granddaughter is the apple of my eye. I'm so proud of her. It's simple, sweet, and timeless. Everyone deserves to be the apple in someone's eye. 10. It pays peanuts. This means a job or task gives very little money for a lot of effort. For example, I don't know whether to apply for this job. It looks really interesting, but it pays peanuts. Passion matters, but so does paying the bills. Try to find the balance, dream big, but eat well too. And that's the end of today's episode. Which idiom did you connect with the most? Are you more of a couch potato, or do you know what side your bread is buttered on? Let me know in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching English in 5 Minutes with AI. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more daily lessons delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And remember, improve your English in 5 minutes a day. Stay tuned, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.